I'm Eric Reiner from Beckhoff Automation. I'm the IPC product manager, and I'm here to just answer a few questions about IPCs. The first one is, we've been using PLCs for years. Why would I switch to a Beckhoff IPC for control? Well, there's a lot of reasons for that. Over the years, since the 80s, Beckhoff has been using industrial PCs to control machines from very simple PLC tasks for blinking lights or high-end motion tasks with coordinated axes. There's a lot of flexibility with the PCs in terms of processors, connection options, housings, as well as being able to mount something directly to a DIN rail and connecting I/O to it. So the flexibility will meet the needs of your application, as well as the software side. All of our controllers use the same software, so you can migrate from one PC to another or one processor to another in case you have scope creep or if you oversize your application or a controller for the application. So we're going to give you the controller that's right for your application. The next question is, how do I balance flexibility without sacrificing features and performance? A great thing about Beckhoff is that granularity within the processor family. We're going to give you the flexibility to meet the needs of your application, as well as using that software that we have called TwinCat 3 and being able to add functionality via different functions. Having that flexibility for all of our controllers is wonderful, along with the flexibility of our I/O. You can use the fastest Ethernet field bus in the world, EtherCAT, as well as other third-party software as well. You know, it really does show the flexibility of these controllers. Say you have an existing application with one of our controllers, you can add additional software functionality like IoT. You can add MQTT, AMQP, OPC-UA in a brownfield application. So we're allowing you to choose the software pieces that you need for your application. And you don't have to add that additional hardware where you can have points of failure, where you can have hardware failure that will take down a whole machine. It's additional software instead. All right, the next question is, what new IPC hardware will support cabinetless design? Throughout the years, we've been moving towards this cabinetless design, and that's still a goal of ours. Our panel PCs and control panels, we have options that are fully enclosed with IP67 all the way around with pole mount or a 100 by 100 mount. And yes, that's available and it will be available for a long time, but the latest addition to that kind of product category or family is the C7015. It's an IP65-67 product that's going to be machine mountable. It's going to be a cost-effective controller with Intel Atom processors up to 4 cores. Our customers can control their machine and do everything else like run an HMI or a database or IoT applications and use it as an edge device. The C7015 provides a variety of onboard interfaces, 3 Ethernet ports, a mini display port, USB 3.0 ports, and an EtherCAT P connection. It has a fanless cooling design and can be mounted directly to your machine, conveyor, or whatever your application is without a cabinet. Mounting flexibility is also free to meet whatever spatial requirements you have. The onboard EtherCAT P connection gives the ability for customers to add IP67 I/O directly to the C7015 with a simple bracket, allowing to daisy chain EtherCAT P I/O around your machine and move towards that cabinetless design. All right, on to the next one. Next question is, we see that IPCs have major benefits, but we're not sold on using Windows. Are there any alternatives? That's a great question. So historically, we've used Windows as our operating system on our controllers, and that's not going away. We've had a great relationship with Microsoft over the years, and it'll continue. But we have a lot of customers that are looking for something else other than Windows. So we're taking the real-time capabilities within TwinCat and putting them into a secure, robust, small footprint operating system. The TwinCat BSD file system allows for things like snapshots or live backups or rollbacks, as well as enhancements to secure your data in case of power loss so there won't be any corruption. Next question. What is the easiest way to customize HMI hardware? Well, we have a couple different ways to do that. Our panels are multi-touch, up to 5 fingers, really elegant, solid design. But some customers really want to make it their own. So we have the ability to completely customize these panels to meet your corporate brand and create something that's very unique to match the application or the machine that you're building, to really set yourself apart from your competition.